Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in to this channel. I'm here to present to you the cast of Gomora, the new hot interesting telenovela that start at 7:30 Monday to Friday. Let's start with the main character, Kati. It is portrayed by Katlego Danke. Kati has always been that girl, pretty popular and smart, but when Mbongeni promised her a life of ease, she dished her true love, Mondli, her family and her studies to marry him and his money. Kati is far more capable than she seems, and her one goal is to make sure that her children Langa and Nobuhle thrive Alexandra, despite everyone obviously at her fall from grace. Kati rose once before, she will rise again. So guys, you can leave your comment below and share with us your favorite character so far. Please keep well. I love you so much, guys. Bye.